Welcome to the Hyperlocal Kite Hill real estate market update. We are recapping May 2023. My name's Antho, Mr. Hyperlocal with Bullock-Russell Real Estate Services. Let's take a look at what happened in your hyperlocal real estate market in the month of May. Well, across Southern California, there are very few homes on the market, and we see that trend reflected in the numbers here for Kite Hill as well. So here at the end of May, we currently have 2 homes active on the market, no homes in escrow, no closed sales, and no closed leases. So without any closed sales to take a look at, instead, let's talk a bit about the general real estate market for Orange County. So inventory is very, very low, as I mentioned. And unfortunately, over the last month, the interest rate did rise significantly. For some folks, it might be a half point or more. And that's generally attributed to the economic uncertainty that's happening right now. It was regarding the debt ceiling crisis that was facing the entire nation, which has been resolved, but without an effect, unfortunately, on the mortgage rates. And also the inflation, which still is happening across the economy. And at this time, it's about a 50-50 chance that the Federal Reserve raises the federal funds rate by a quarter point or decides to leave the levels where they're at. But right now, there's no signal that they'll be dropping the Federal Reserve federal funds rate. So unfortunately, we don't see any relief for the mortgage rates in the short term, but in the medium to long term, a lot of folks feel like we will see the mortgage rates drop down into at least in the 5% range. So we'll be hopeful for that. Until then, we do have prices which are still great, and prices are still pretty high. And depending on which home you're in, you might still see multiple offers when you do decide to sell. So I'd say when you're looking at May 2023 versus May 2022, 1 year ago, at this time, we still see a hot market for desirable homes that are in good condition on good lots with good locations, but we are not seeing all those less desirable properties. Those ones were still selling like crazy a year ago. Today, those ones are sitting a lot longer as buyers have a higher cost to borrow money now. They're a lot less likely to take that plunge into something that they don't see themselves in for the long term. And that's it for May 2023. I'm here inside our latest listing. It's 23961 Dovekie Circle. So this is Kite Hill's smallest model, the Tanager, a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,945 square foot home. This one on that spacious 7,350 square foot corner lot on the cul-de-sac with the pool in the back. So if you happen to know somebody who's in the market for a beautiful single level in a great neighborhood, make sure you let them know that this one is currently available. Would love to chat with them, and I'm looking forward to sharing the updates on this one next month. My name's Antho, Mr. Hyperlocal with Bullock-Russell Real Estate Services. Buy, sell, or lease. Nobody will work harder for you, your family, and your friends than I will. So put my knowledge and passion for Orange County to work for you. I'll see you next month, if not sooner. You take care.